What if I told you that everything you know about affiliate marketing is about to become completely obsolete? That the endless hours of research, content creation, and technical setup could be reduced to just 3 clicks? My name is Digital Wealth AQ, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you something that not only changed my business, but completely transformed my life. This isn't just another tool, it's the end of affiliate marketing as we know it. The real problem affiliate marketers face. Let me ask you something that might hit a little too close to home. How many hours have you spent trying to piece together different tools that never quite work together? How much money have you wasted on courses that overpromise and underdeliver? How many nights have you stayed up late, staring at a screen, wondering why success always seems just out of reach? The brutal truth is that most affiliate marketers fail not because they're not smart enough or don't work hard enough. They fail because they're drowning in what I call the 5 deadly sins of traditional affiliate marketing. Sin 1, the technical overload building websites, configuring plugins, dealing with hosting issues. Sin 2, the content creation trap writing articles, making videos, designing graphics until 3 a.m. Sin 3, the product research nightmare, spending hours searching for profitable offers. Sin 4, the traffic generation struggle trying to figure out SEO, social media, paid ads. Sin 5, the analysis paralysis, so much data, so little clarity on what actually works. I know this pain personally. I was that person buying every course, trying every tool, spending thousands of dollars and countless hours. I was working 60-hour weeks but barely making enough to cover my tool subscriptions. I was ready to quit until I discovered a different way. The revolutionary solution. That's when I found Affili Suite AI, and let me be completely honest with you, I was skeptical at first. I'd been burned by miracle solutions before, but what I discovered shocked me. Affili Suite AI is the world's first complete AI-powered affiliate marketing suite that literally builds your entire business for you. Here's the revolutionary 3-click process. Click 1, Business Creation. 1 click activates your ready-to-profit affiliate business. AI automatically builds your complete website and sales funnels. Professional design, templates optimized for conversion. Mobile responsive layouts that work on any device. Click 2, Product Intelligence. AI scans 12+ affiliate networks simultaneously. Analyzes thousands of products based on EPC, gravity, and conversion rates. Uses predictive algorithms to find hidden profitable niches. Automatically imports winning products into your funnels. Click 3, Content Automation. AI creates, designs, and publishes content across all platforms. Generates human-like articles, videos, and social media posts. Implements complete SEO optimization automatically. 24/7 content distribution while you sleep. Traditional methods take 3-6 months to see results. With Affili Suite AI, you're generating traffic and sales within 24 hours. Comprehensive FEATURES breakdown. Now let me dive deep into the 7 revolutionary modules that make this possible. Module 1, AI Profit Finder Engine. Real-time scanning of JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and more. Advanced algorithm that predicts winning products before they trend. Automatic commission and gravity analysis. 1-click product import into your funnels. Module 2, Done-for-you funnel architect. 50+ proven funnel templates for different niches. Automatic opt-in page, bridge page, and sales page creation. Built-in email sequence integration. Conversion-optimized designs that work. Module 3, 24/7 AI Sales Closer. Intelligent chatbot that handles customer objections. Real-time Q&A capability that improves with use. Automatic follow-up and lead nurturing. Multi-language support for global reach. Module 4, Content Creation Powerhouse. AI article writer that produces human-quality content. Video creation from text with AI avatars and voiceovers. Social media, post generator for all platforms. Automatic content scheduling and publishing. Module 5, traffic generation system. Built-in SEO optimizer that targets high-value keywords. Social media automation across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. YouTube, video creation and optimization. Email marketing automation with AI-written sequences. Module 6, real-time analytics dashboard. Complete performance tracking in one place. Click, conversion and earnings analytics. AI-powered optimization suggestions. Competitor analysis and gap identification. Module 7, commercial license empire. Create and sell ready-made affiliate businesses to clients. White label rights to offer as your own service. Agency license to serve multiple clients. Complete business-in-a-box solution. Real-world, RESULTS and case studies. Now, I know you're wondering, does this actually work in the real world? Let me show you what happened when I implemented this system. Case Study 1, the complete beginner. Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher with zero tech experience, used Affili Suite AI to build her first affiliate business. Within 30 days, 3 complete websites, 47 articles published, $1,247 in commissions. Now makes consistent income while continuing her teaching job. Case Study 2, the struggling marketer. Mike, who had been trying affiliate marketing for 2 years with little success, implemented Affili Suite AI and automated his entire process. Results: 600% increase in productivity, $8,342 in first 90 days. Now runs multiple automated affiliate businesses. Case Study 3, the agency owner. Lisa scaled her freelance business into an agency. Uses the commercial license to serve 12 clients. Generates $15,000 a month in recurring revenue. All fulfillment handled by Affili Suite AI. Now I need to be completely transparent. These results aren't typical for everyone. Your success depends on your implementation. But what I can guarantee is that Affili Suite AI gives you the exact same system that these success stories used. Live demonstration. Don't just take my word for it. Let me walk you through exactly how this works in real time. In less than 10 minutes, I can create what would normally take weeks to build manually. The system guides you through every step. Step 1, business setup. Click once and the system builds a complete website. Step 2, product selection. Watch how AI finds and imports profitable products. Step 3, content creation. See AI write articles and create videos automatically. Step 4, traffic generation. The automated social media and SEO kicks in. Step 5, sales automation. The AI chat agent starts handling customer queries. This is the power of AI automation, working for you 24/7. AQ special offer and bonuses. Now, here's why you need to pay close attention. During this special launch period, you can get lifetime access to Affili Suite AI for a one-time investment of just $17. That's less than most people spend on coffee in a week. Let me break down the insane value. Similar AI writing tools, $49/month. Website builders, $29/month. Video creation software, $39/month. Social media tools, $25/month. Total value, over $142/month. Your investment, one time $17. But that's not even the best part. When you act now, you'll also receive these 5 exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Bonus 1, AI Profit Accelerator course, $297 value. Advanced strategies for maximizing your earnings. Hidden features most users never discover. Scaling techniques to multiply your results. Bonus 2, done-for-you funnel templates, $197 value. 10 high-converting funnel templates for hot niches. Proven email sequences that convert. Swipe files that have generated millions. Bonus 3. Client Acquisition Kit, $397 value. How to land high-paying clients using the commercial license. Contract templates and pricing guides. Sales scripts that close deals. Bonus 4. 30-day implementation challenge, $97 value. Daily action plan to get results fast. Accountability system to keep you on track. Troubleshooting guide for common issues. Bonus 5. VIP support and community access, priceless. Direct access to me for personalized guidance. Private community of successful users. Weekly Q&A sessions and strategy calls. I know you might be feeling skeptical right now. Can this really work for me? That's why I want to make this completely risk-free for you. You're protected by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Try Affili Suite AI for a full month. Build your affiliate business. Test every feature. If you're not completely blown away by the results, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny immediately. No questions asked. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. Step 1. Click the first link in the description below this video. Step 2. Use coupon code AFFSUITEMAX to get 30% off. Step 3. Create your account and access your dashboard. Step 4. Join our private community for bonus training. Step 5. Launch your first automated affiliate business today. But you need to understand this special launch pricing won't last. The regular price is increasing soon, and once it's gone forever. The people watching this video right now are competing for the same limited spots at this price. Don't let analysis paralysis rob you of this opportunity. Don't be the person who watches this, thinks about it, and then comes back tomorrow only to find the price has doubled. Look, I've been where you are right now. The frustration, the overwhelm, the feeling that maybe you're just not cut out for this. But let me tell you something important. It's not you. It's the outdated methods you've been taught. The game has changed. AI has leveled the playing field. Now, it's not about who has the most technical skills or the biggest budget. It's about who has the smartest system. You have 2 choices right now. You can close this video and go back to the same struggles, the same overwhelm, the same disappointing results. You can take that one simple step that could change everything. You can join the thousands of people who have already transformed their lives with this technology. The link is right there in the description. The coupon code is ready. The guarantee protects you. All that's missing is your decision to finally take control of your financial future. Click the link right now. I'll see you on the inside, and I can't wait to celebrate your success.